Hello everyone, and welcome to my math channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I created the face of Winston, one of the Khan Academy avatars. Let me show you how I did this. So first, what I did is to make the face and all the features have no outline, I put in the code no stroke. Now, no stroke gives all of this no outline around the face and eyes and mouth. What fill does, it fills the color, and the fill of 255, 0, that's for the yellow of the face. The ellipse is for the head, and then I filled the eyes with 0, 0, 0, that's black, and the left eye is 164, 156, 49, 47, and the right is 332, 156, 40, 49, 47, and then I filled in the mouth with 255, 0, 0, that's red, and then I just did the ellipse for the mouth, which is 257, 273, 152, 163. Now this whole the face features, everything I created by myself, and now I'm gonna show you how to create a face yourself. So to create your own, you want to go into computer programming, which is under computerist, and then you go to Intro to JS, drawing and animation. And then what you want to do is you want to click new program. So it should bring you right here, and the name is called new program. So what I always want to do is, since I don't know what I'm making, I'm gonna put unknown like this. But since we know what we're doing, we're gonna be drawing a face of Winston. We put Winston face. And since I've already done a Winston face, I already showed you that, I'm gonna name this 2. So what we want to start with is we want to do no stroke. Remember? No stroke. And then we want to put this and that. Okay. So now there's going to be, oops, you have to put a semicolon at the end. Don't forget it like I did. Okay. And then what you want to do is you want to, this space is empty. So you want to draw an ellipse. And I hope you're following along with me. So if you are, you want to put ellipse. You want to put 200, 200, 300, and 350. That'll give you the exact middle coordinates. And once you have done that, should appear. So I'm gonna make this actually wait 200. Oh yes, since there's no stroke, you want to delete that actually before you do that, so you can actually see what that thing is. That's the mistake I just made. So yeah, then you want to let's make this big. No, let's actually move it this way, not make it big. Now we're gonna move it down. And we're gonna make this a little bit wider. How's that? We want to move this a little bit left so it actually still fits on the screen. Then we want to make it there. So that's the outline for Winston's face. And now, so I'm gonna put face. So you do 2 slashes to do a comment, and you could name it face. It won't do anything to your code. And then I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna put fill. And red is the normal color, so then what you want to do is you want to go into this color picker tool, and you can find yellow. Once you've found yellow, you can look for the yellow you like, and that's not yellow, is it? It's a bit down. No, it's a bit over there. Okay, so now I'm just going to make my yellow the yellow I like. There's a very, very nice yellow. So the face is done, and now we can put no stroke. So now we can put no stroke right there, just like that. So now it's no stroke, and now what you want to do is we're going to create, what should we create? Let's do the eyes. So now we're going to do the eyes, and those are 2 ellipses, and I always like to start with the same numbers I had. So I'm going to go 200, 200, 300, and 350. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to label this as left. Oops, I didn't put the thing there. Okay, so I'm going to put this, I'll label it as left eye. Left eye. And now, as you can see, it's kind of lumpy. That's because there's a totally separate thing there. But if you still don't want the no stroke, you can go ahead and do that. It's actually better to not have the no stroke off, because then you actually get to see, it actually works better. So let's just make it just the way we want it, right? And then, okay, it's getting really close to what I want. It's getting, so there's the left eye. I'm going to move it a little bit to the right. A little bit to the right. That's kind of Winston's thing, a little down. It's good. Now we're going to fill this. Now we're going to fill this with black, because both Winston's eyes are black. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of this code. Copy all of this code, and then I'll paste it there. That's going to be our right eye in a moment. It's going to be our right eye in a moment. It's going to be our right eye in a moment. And now all we have to do is we just move it that way. Now for the final part, which is probably the best part, is, well, actually it's the second last part, whatever. So then we do ellipse again, ellipse, and then we do, remember the same numbers as before? Do you remember them? 200, 200, 300, 350. There we go. Oh, geez, that is huge. So now we want to fill it. We want to fill it. Fill just like that, because mouth is red. Winston's mouth is red. So then what we're going to do is we're going to, let's move it a little right, and then we're going to put it down. No, wait, we want to do that first. And then we make it the mouth that we want. And then let's drag it down there. So that's kind of a mouth. That's not really Winston's thing. So let's make it a little bit of that. And let's move it to the right. And a little down. Whoops. A little down. Let's do it like that. And then it's kind of ovally mouth. We still kind of have the ovally mouth. And then we want to move it a little up. And then a little right. Little right like that. So that's Winston, isn't it? But it isn't really, wait. Okay, so that's Winston, isn't it? But that really isn't Winston. So to make this Winston, since the computer reads code up to down, we want to put no stroke this time. No stroke. That's where we want to put it. And so that's kind of a Winston. And I think it's pretty cool. And once you have a Winston like that, all you have to do to keep that Winston is all you have to do to have that Winston is just press save. You name it whatever you want. You can type random stuff just like I did, or you could keep the original name, and then all you have to do is press save.